Hey everyone, welcome back to Your English Journey. I'm your host Emma, and I'm really glad you're here with us today.
And I'm Leo. Today's episode is a really important one. We're going to talk about something that every learner faces. Why is it always so hard at the beginning?
Yes, that moment when you start learning English and think, why can't I remember anything? Why do I sound silly when I speak?
Exactly. It can be frustrating, but it's also totally normal. And you're not alone in this feeling.
So, if you feel like English is too hard right now, stay with us. We're going to share why that feeling is normal and how to get through it, step by step.
The first thing to remember is everyone starts from zero. Even native speakers had to learn English one word at a time when they were babies.
Yes, I always tell my students, you're not behind. You're just at the beginning of the path. Everyone feels slow in the beginning.
And in the beginning, everything feels unfamiliar. You hear new sounds, your mouth isn't used to saying the words, and your brain is tired.
But that's actually a good sign. It means your brain is working hard to grow. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. At first, it feels impossible.
Right, you fall off, you wobble, but then suddenly, one day you're riding smoothly. English learning is the same.
Let's be honest. When you start learning English, it's confusing. Sometimes grammar rules don't make sense, or words look the same but sound different.
Like read or through and though. English can be a little crazy.
And it's totally okay to feel confused. Don't let it stop you.
Actually, confusion is part of learning. If you're confused, it means your brain is trying to understand something new.
So instead of feeling bad, say, okay, my brain is in training. You're stretching your mental muscles.
And just like with exercise, that stretching leads to growth. So take a breath and know it's part of the process. Another reason it feels hard is we're afraid to make mistakes.
Yes. So many students tell me I don't want to sound stupid.
But here's a secret. Mistakes are how you learn. Every time you make a mistake, you get better.
I once said I am chicken instead of I am cold when learning French. My teacher laughed, but I never forgot the right word after that.
That's a perfect example. Mistakes give us strong memories.
And actually, when you make a mistake and correct it, you remember the lesson even more.
So be brave. Make 10 mistakes a day. That means you're practicing and growing. Let's talk about progress. Sometimes it feels like you're not improving.
Yes, like when you study a lot but still can't speak fast. Or you forget a word you just learned.
But think of progress like a plant. You don't see it grow every day, but after a month, wow, it's taller.
Even understanding one new word or saying one sentence better than yesterday, that's progress.
And small progress adds up. One day you'll surprise yourself. You'll talk to someone in English and realize, I didn't translate in my head.
Yes. And that moment feels amazing. So keep going, even if it feels slow.
Let's talk about your brain. In the beginning, it doesn't have English connections.
Yes, it's like building roads in a new city. At first, there are no streets.
But every time you hear, read, or speak English, you build a new road.
Soon those roads connect. And suddenly you can understand faster. You can speak more easily.
That's why daily practice is so powerful. Even 10 minutes a day builds those roads.
And the more roads you build, the more confident you feel. It's brain training in action.
Here's something I love to say. Be curious, not perfect.
Oh, yes. When you're curious, you want to learn. You ask questions. You try new things.
But when you want to be perfect, you're scared. You stop trying.
So instead of saying, I must speak perfectly, say, what can I learn today?
Curiosity makes learning fun, and fun makes you learn faster.
Let your mistakes be part of the adventure. It's a journey, not a test.
The number one thing? Just keep showing up.
Yes, even on the days when it feels hard. Just do something in English.
One new word, one short video, one thought in English.
Those small actions keep you moving forward.
And over time, you'll look back and realize how far you've come.
So don't quit. You're stronger than you think. And we're here cheering you on. Before we end, let's review some useful words from today.
Confused. Meaning, not sure what something means. Example. I felt confused when I saw two words that look the same but sound different.
Mistake. Meaning, something you do that is not correct. Example. I made a mistake, but my teacher helped me fix it.
Progress. Meaning slow improvement over time. Example. I couldn't speak English last year, but now I can say full sentences. That's progress.
Repetition. Meaning, doing something again and again. Example. I learned the word because I practiced it with repetition.
Curious. Meaning wanting to learn or know something. Example. I'm curious about how people say hello in other countries.
Show up. Meaning, to be present and try. Example. I don't always feel motivated, but I still show up every day.
If English feels hard right now, that means you're doing something right.
Learning is supposed to challenge your brain. That's how it grows.
You are not alone. We believe in you.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and most of all, keep showing up.
And if you found this episode helpful,
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. It helps others find us too.
see you
See you
next
next
time
time
on
on
Your
Your
English
English Journey.
Journey.